You're in a submarine 400 meters below the surface. That's negative 400. You rise 150 meters, then dive another 200. Where are you now? Problems like this aren't just for tests. They're about understanding a world that exists above and below zero. The key is to think of numbers on a line. Adding a positive number is like taking a step to the right, toward the warmer numbers. Subtracting is a step left, toward the cold. It's all about direction. When you add numbers with different signs, picture it as a battle. In the problem negative 10 plus 4, Team Negative has 10 players and Team Positive only has 4. Who wins? Team Negative, easily. So your answer will be negative. By how much? The difference between the teams. 10 minus 4 is 6. The final score is negative 6. The team with more players always wins the sign. Now, subtraction can be confusing, so here's the secret method. Keep, change, change. Take a problem like negative 7 minus 5. You keep the negative 7. You change the subtraction sign to addition, and you change the sign of the 5 to negative 5. Your new problem is negative 7 plus negative 5. Suddenly, it's easy. The answer is negative 12. This trick turns every subtraction problem into an addition problem you already know how to solve. And when you see two negatives side by side, like in 5 minus negative 3, they join together to form a big plus sign. It's just 5 plus 3. So, back to our submarine at negative 400. Rising 150 meters brings you to negative 250. Then you dive 200 more. That's negative 250 minus 200, leaving you at a final depth of negative 450 meters. You just navigated the deep.